Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a very quick and easy egg chutney for breakfast. And egg chutney is also made where children used to go out for fishing. They used to like eating sandwiches. So I'm just going to show you all how I actually do it. For my ingredients, I have 3 large tomatoes that I grated, and 1 small onion that I grated, with 3 green chilies to add on, and half a cup of oil, and a teaspoon of salt to taste, but you can put salt according to your taste. And I have 6 large eggs to use for my egg chutney. Okay, I've got my stove on moderate, and I've got my frying pan. I'm going to put in my half a cup of oil. And then I throw in my onions. Why I like grating my onions, it gives the chutney a smooth finish. I allow this to brown. Okay, now I'm going to put in my green chilies. I'll increase my heat a little before throwing in the tomatoes. And then now I'm going to throw in my grated tomatoes. And then we'll go in my salt. I'll allow this to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. The tomato must fully get done. 10 minutes has passed us, and you can see the chutney is done very well. Now I'm going to start adding in my eggs to it. Always crack your eggs individually. That's one. I will actually decrease my heat. This also reminds me of when my children was going to school, and on Wednesday it was egg chutney day. Thereafter, on the low heat, I will actually let this cook for another 5 minutes or so by covering the lid. Okay, now I'm going to remove my lid, and I'm going to increase my heat, because this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to bust the yolks. And try to keep the eggs firm. And we'll get a nice finish. There's a way to actually mix it, is to gradually pick it up and turn it over instead of making mincemeat. But there you are. This is what I do. I pick them up gradually and then turn them, and working on a high heat. Okay, now you can see it's coming to the nice fry. So I'll do the same thing over again. Pick up the egg gradually and turn it over. And see how lovely. You don't get it all minced up. And because I'm going to sandwich the egg chutney, I'm actually not going to use any dhania for garnishing, because then it will be, you have to pull up the dhania from your sandwich. Now it's done.
Okay guys, so my mom's tied the sandwiches for us, like how she used to tie when we used to go fishing. When we stayed in Newlands, the beach was literally about 15 to 20 minutes away. We'd go to either Blue Lagoon or Beachwood or something like that. And you tie the sandwiches in wax wrap and newspaper, because then when you're done eating them, you can quickly throw the newspaper away. Normally, by the time you get there, the whole wax wrap is pink because of the egg chutney, and the bread is also pink. And then you get there, and you, after fishing for a few hours, you unwrap and you have your egg sandwiches. You must just watch out for the chilies. You have your egg sandwiches, and then you carry on fishing. So yeah, the egg chutney sandwich was almost a staple for whenever we went fishing with my dad, which was almost every Sunday as well.